So when you're doing a problem like this one, number 59, when you have multiple transformations, right 2, up 1, and multiply by a factor of 2, or stretch it vertically by a factor of 2, the order in which you apply these transformations is really important. So let's starting from the beginning. Y equals radical x is the graph we have here, and dotted line here, 1, 1, 4, 2, the way we've been doing, okay? And then if we move this graph to the right 2, if we were to move it to the right 2, then we would basically have 0, 2, 0, and then we would have 1, 1 would be at 3, 1, and then 4, 2, that 4, 2 right there would be at 6, 2. Okay, so we have 3, 1, and then 4, 5, 6, 2. Now, that's if we don't vertically stretch it. So that's the one without vertically stretching it, but by applying that 2, when we vertically stretch it by a factor of 2, 3, 1 becomes 3, 2. And then 6, 2 becomes 6, 4. And 4 would be up here. So 6, 2 becomes 6, 4. So that would be the graph if we don't apply that +1. We always do the shift up and down last. So the current graph, it's getting kind of busy here. The current graph would be right here without applying the up 1, okay? So we moved it 2 to the right. We vertically stretched it by a factor of 2. Again, that would be 3, 2, right? And and that's all we did so far. But now if we take that graph and move it, you get a different color here, move it up 1, then this 2, 0 becomes 2, 1. 3, 2 becomes 3, 3. So let me put those coordinates there. 2, 1, 3, 3. And then 6, 4 becomes 6, 5. 6, 5. Oh, my marker's running out. And so let's connect those dots. Starting here. That will affect not only, so these transformations are not only going to affect the domain, but also the range, because we moved right and left. That affects the domain. The domain of this first function, y equals radical x, is 0 to infinity, same with the range. But by moving it to the right, we increased the domain by 2. Right 2 means the domain increases by 2. Up 1 means we increase the range. The highest or the lowest y coordinate now will be 1 above the old lowest y coordinate. And that's how you do number 59.